Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Lady Boss Builder Jessica returning for another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a short glimpse of what I do in my everyday life as a lady boss and a lady carpenter. Enjoy watching! As you can see, today is a sunny and beautiful day. That's why I thought of buying my business supplies that are low. Come and join me. Let's go. Honestly speaking, being a lady carpenter combines skill, creativity, and breaking through traditional gender norms. If you are a lady carpenter just like me, I'd love to hear about your experiences, challenges, or triumphs if you have any on the comment section. For a lady carpenter like me, my everyday begins with the rhythmic sound of saws, hammers, and chisels. My workshop is a haven of wood shavings and creative chaos. Each piece of my crafts is a testament of my skill and dedication, whether it's a custom cabinet, a delicate piece of furniture, or intricate wooden art. My journey into carpentry wasn't always easy. I always faced skepticism from those who doubted my abilities based on my gender. However, my passion and talent spoke louder than any prejudice in this world. I learned to navigate the challenges, gaining respect and admiration from my peers and clients. My work speaks for itself, blending precision with artistic flair. Balancing the role of a carpenter and a boss adds another layer of complexity. As a lady boss, I don't just oversee the day-to-day operations. I think I inspire and lead my team with vision and empathy. I always understand the importance of creating a supportive work environment where every team member feels valued. In this line of business, managing a carpentry business requires juggling various responsibilities, from handling client consultations and project management to dealing with finances and marketing. My leadership style is often characterized by a hands-on approach, blending technical expertise with strategic planning. Truly, I am also a mentor. I guide my team and encourage them, especially the ladies, to be the next generation of female carpenters. My leadership is not just about making business decisions, but about fostering a culture of inclusion and excellence. I break barriers by demonstrating that women can excel in both traditional male-dominated trades and leadership roles. As an entrepreneur, I think it is so important that you should be the one purchasing your business supplies for you to be able to track your business expenses carefully.
Kuya, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Oo. Kanina ako shoutout. Nandito ako lagi yung bibili. Babalik ako dito. Oo, mura. Gwapo yung mga nagtitinda. Sige, kuya. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sunod tayo sa pinta na tayo. Hello, ate. SIM.
Ilan?
Isa.
Kuya, pakuha ko. UD Black. Ma'am Jessica.
Dito. Hindi naman bumibili lagi ng pin. Okay ka naman ate sa vlog.
Hi po.
Ayan. Kilala na rin ako ni ate. Magkano yun, te? 600, no?
Suki po. Suki.
Pinakit.
Yung mga suki, hindi na po kayo. Thank you
Thank you,
po.
te. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye na.
Tapos na. Uli na kanya. Ay, hindi. Hindi pala ako naman. Ang tawag yun. Liha. Pabili po. Liha.
Yes po.
May liha po kayo? Liha.
Liha lang
Number 100. Thank you. Branded kasi. Nakalimutan ko yung sukli ko. Nakalimutan ko yung sukli ko. Thank you po. Thank you. Oo. No. Kahit na, may mabubuti pa rin tao. Alam mo yun si ate. Pinalik niya yung sukli ko kahit 50 pesos lang. So, patunay yun na marami pa rin mabubuti sa mundo, di ba? Shout out kay ate. Ate na yun. Bait mo. Ibitas na kami ba? Makulit na ulit tayo. Ayan. Tapos na, ibili ko na lahat ng kaya babalik na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Pero kukunin ko muna yung payang ko kasi init. Sunog ako sa init. So, papadali ko. Sakay na lang tayo ng trace ko. Sakay na. Kuya, sa tabi na lang. Thank you. And gift and hope. Tao po. Balik na ako kaagad. Ganun lang kabilis. Medyo mainit sa labas. Nagtitinginan ako ng mga tao. Ganun talaga. Diba? Kakabalan na lang ng mukha. Ayun, listen po. Dito ka nakakawa siya. Hindi ko na yung dapat kong bilhin. So, I'm back. Dito yung girlfriend ng kuya ko. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Ano muna ako ng water. Ang hinit sa labas. So, yun lang. Ayan, inom muna tayo ng tubig. Init sa labas. So, that's my content for today. Sa lahat po ng mga gustong bumili ng aming mga product at magpagawa, lahat po ng information lalagay ko po sa description box below. And paki-visit na rin po, and please follow na rin ang aming page. Nandito po. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!